snowboarding and I had an accident. I hit a tree. I broke some of my ribs. Goes back to surfing. Every time I would go surfing, because of the contact with the surfboard, I would have like pain. And so, yeah. So I decided to come here. I've been traveling around Asia for the past months, years, basically because of surfing and snowboarding. And a few months ago, I was in Japan snowboarding and I had an accident. I hit a tree and I broke some of my ribs. And they actually released me and they told me that everything was like I should just rest and it's going to heal on its own. I flew to Bali, I stayed there. I actually healed there, but I still had some discomfort, and that's what led me later on to travel to Thailand to get surgery. And it goes back to surfing. Every time I would go surfing, because of the contact with the surfboard, I would have like pain, and this discomfort is something that like I can tolerate it like short term, but long term I wanted to fix it. Yeah, I just had pain during those times, and so I ended up like checking up with the doctor here, and we decided that the best thing was to have surgery. Some X-rays, some CT scans, and some doctors will tell me just heal, just rest and heal by itself. And some doctors will be, oh no, it's like you should get surgery right now. And like after all these like different opinions, I checked with different doctors, one from back home in Argentina and with the doctor from here. And I felt the safest with the doctor from here because he was very precise with what the problem was and my understanding of the problem was the same. And so I decided to come here. So in the traveling community, I talked with a bunch of people, a lot of close friends that like about my situation. I was like thinking about doing surgery. I was in Bali at the time. I was thinking about doing it there, but I didn't feel safe with the doctors. And I was thinking about going back to Argentina, but that was like too long of a travel. And they all recommended me to check out Thailand. They recommended some hospitals, and I started to ask them, and this hospital was one of them that literally answered right away. And in 2 days, I was having a call with the doctor, which is what I wanted to, and that's why I chose this hospital, because I felt safe with the doctor.
His diagnosis is a slipped rib syndrome. This is the condition where the patient suffers from the trauma to the costal margin. The costal margin is the area that the lower ribs of the human body join together and form to a thick single line of the cartilage. And when the lower rib impinges to the upper rib, it causes the pain, persistent, positional. This is one of the most common presentation of the slipped rib syndrome. He has no medical condition whatsoever. He is physically very fit and involved frequent in the high intensity sport, especially surfing, which is why this is bother him very much. For Mr. Luciano, we perform open surgery to repair the involved fracture and the malunion. Firstly, we started by dividing the malunion site, taking out the excessive bone. So when the cartilage, they're in the wrong position, in malunion position, the tip of the cartilage can turn to bone, and that bone can cause pain and deformity of the patient's chest wall. We resect that part out and we bring the cartilage back together. One thing that makes the repair of the cartilage quite challenging is that unlike bone, they don't have much blood supply, so their configuration is quite soft. So we cannot put the plate and screw over like in bone. Instead of that, we have to do the basic suturing in very meticulous way, and we also use absorbable mesh placement to help hold that surgical site in place. So we can alleviate the patient's pain. Mr. Luciano, only after a few days after surgery, he came out of the operating room very well. We sent him home the next day after surgery. And when he go back to his place, he walked around next day he walked 2 kilometers and his previous pain was gone. He's only experienced minor pain from the surgical site. And at 1 week, he was able to walk 6-7 kilos without any pain at all. And more importantly, the site of incision is very small when we only put the suturing and mesh placement. And here we try to keep the incision as small as possible and cutting through the muscle as least as possible to help our patients recover faster.
So at first I felt groggy because I woke up from anesthesia, but right away my body was feeling much better. Like in the first hours I already knew that it was the right decision, and yeah, it's something I need to do, and I'm happy that I did that. And I felt like extremely safe at the hospital with every doctor, with every nurse, and yeah, I'm happy with it. After the surgery, 2 days later, I was already like doing my daily life. Like I was able to walk, of course, like very slowly. And now that it's already a week in, I'm fully functional. I can like walk, I can like go for groceries. I can do literally anything. So one thing that I was very surprised was the care of the nurses. Like there was a whole team that they were checking up on me every, I don't know, an hour, 2 hours. They're following up like different things that I felt that they were really taking care of me. And yeah, I think that was like something from the hospital, that's something amazing. The doctor I feel that that's something that from the doctor, he's very precise. I got that from like the first interview that we had, like the first conversation. He goes straight to the point, and I felt that in the surgery. Like he was like, this is what we need to do. That's exactly what he did, and I felt like good with that. I would say that this is like a top-notch hospital. Like I can only compare it to like the best hospitals that I've been to in the past.
Because we are the tertiary trauma center, we involve in a lot of blunt chest injury, having fracture of the rib, fracture of the sternum, and fracture of the costal margin. So we are a highly experienced center that can repair the rare conditions in quite an effective manner. And also the surgical technique that we have been using in our institution can make the challenging operation go through well.
If I ask myself if I would do this again, if I would make this decision again, I think I'm like super happy with the decision. The flight, for me, it wasn't that far away, but it was still like 5 hours of flying, staying here for 2 weeks. It was a whole commitment, and I'm super happy with that I made the decision. My body feels happy with that too.